Flaps are called auricles. There's a right auricle and there's a left auricle. And underneath the auricles is a chamber. Right atrium, left atrium. So auricles are just these flaps with extra space in them. So when blood comes in and there's more blood than usual, we have a place to expand to. We have the interventricular sulcus with the anterior interventricular artery and the great cardiac vein. They run right next to each other. Anterior interventricular artery, great cardiac vein. Now, these vessels, this is the pulmonary trunk, takes the oxygenated blood to the lungs. It branches into left and right pulmonary arteries. Left and right pulmonary arteries. Goes to the lungs. Comes back from the lungs through these guys here. Let me put this on. Hold it. Okay, right here. These are the pulmonary veins. There is two left ones and two right pulmonary veins. They bring oxygenated blood from the heart back to the left atrium. This is the aorta. Ascending aorta, aortic arch. 3 vessels coming off of it. Brachiocephalic trunk. Left common carotid. Left subclavian arteries. The 3 branches off the aortic arch. And then descending aorta. This is the superior vena cava. It has 2 branches that come together to form it. Brachiocephalic veins. Veins. In back of the superior vena cava, there is an azygous vein. See that little thing there? Azygous vein. I like to ask it because this is the only place you can see it. So, now, this is the crown of the heart. This is the apex. Inside, let's look inside here. Inside the auricles, there's a little meaty network. The meaty network in the auricle is called the pectinate muscle. This is the pectinate muscle. So that's found inside. Inside the ventricles, this meaty network is called the trabeculae carne. You've heard of chili con carne, right? Isn't that chili with meat? This is the meaty network, trabeculae carne. I like that. This is a papillary muscle. This is the interventricular septum. Interventricular septum. What attaches to papillary muscles? Chordae tendineae. These little cords, chordae tendineae, and they attach to valves. We'll ask valves. This valve here is called the right AV valve or tricuspid, tri on the right. And this valve here is the left AV valve or bicuspid or mitral valve. Right here is the pulmonary semilunar valve. Right there's pulmonary semilunar valve. And deep up inside there, up there, is the aortic semilunar valve. Pulmonary semilunar valve, aortic semilunar valve, deep inside there. The walls. The outside layer is called the visceral pericardium or epicardium. The middle layer is called the myocardium. And the layer inside is the endocardium. That's continuous with the endothelium of blood vessels. So you can see the 3 layers. You can see the endocardium, you can see the myocardium, and the epicardium is on the outside of the heart.